Hi everyone, this is RyOS Tech Reviewer. Today I've got the POCO F4 GT. We're going to do a gaming sample of Call of Duty Mobile using the POCO F4 GT and using its shoulder buttons. I'm going to show you here how you can set up the options for your shoulder buttons on the phone. So what I'm going to do is go into the main settings of the game here. Going to go to custom layout. Now you can see here you can move your actual touchscreen options to any position. I tend to put whatever option I want to use with the shoulder buttons up into the top of the screen, either to the left or the right, normally in the position where the actual just to the side of the switches you see here. So whenever I go into other games, I'll be able to put these touch options in to the same area and it will automatically recognize them whenever I play any other game with the shoulder buttons. So my shoulder button options here, so we got left and right, always in the same area. This just makes it a lot easier to customize the shoulder buttons for every single game rather than having to swap and change them all the time. So top tip for you today. So, I'm going to save this option here, come out, and we're going to jump straight into a Satellite 24 game, which is the latest session of Call of Duty Mobile and Season. So we're going to start off here. I'm just going to turn up the volume and let you hear the action. So let's go.
Target's inside! Enemy contact! Tango down! Contact with enemy! Enemy contact! Target's inside! Contact with enemy! Enemy down! Enemy contact! Back up! Contact with enemy! Headshot! Target's inside! Enemy contact!
Taking the lead.
Tango down!
XS-1 Goliath is ready.
Target's inside!
Stealth chopper awaiting orders.
Enemy contact!
Hey, that's the first time I got killed. I think that was a good run there.
Contact with enemy!
Stealth chopper inbound.
Oops, going the wrong way here. Where am I going?
Enemy contact! Enemy down!
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Be online.
Target's inside! Target down! Enemy contact! Contact with enemy! Enemy down! Reloading! Cover me!
Yeah, so you can see I was top dog there. Done pretty well, don't you think? Thumbs up for this POCO enthusiast. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more action from the POCO F4 GT.